You are having the same book, na? Nelson Mandela First Flight.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you take out the index and cut these poems and the chapters. How to tell wild animals. Then trees, fog, Mitchell the otter, and for Annie Gregory. Cut beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do it in the book itself, okay? So now come to the last para of page number 19. Everybody has taken out?
Yes, ma'am.
Put the date. Write down the date, hurry up. Should I begin, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On the day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. Overwhelmed means he had a very strong emotional effect. Okay, strong emotional feeling. Write down. With a sense of history means on that particular day, on the day of inaugural ceremony, the author, the President Nelson Mandela, he remembers the day of past when this whole system of apartheid, it began in South Africa. In the first decade of the 20th century, decade is of how many years?
10 years.
10 years, okay. So when 20th century it begins, so in the early 10 years, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War, so an Anglo-Boer War, it was held, and this war, it was held between the Britishers and two South African Republic states. समझ में आ गया? तो कहते हैं कि फर्स्ट डिकेड जो था 20th सेंचुरी का, उसके कुछ सालों बाद एंग्लो बोर वॉर हुआ था. एंग्लोज वर द ब्रिटिशर्स और साउथ अफ्रीकन रिपब्लिक स्टेट्स में ये वॉर हुआ था. एंड बिफोर माय ओन बर्थ, ओके, नाउ बिफोर the birth of Nelson Mandela means many years back, as soon as they had hold on South Africa. Who? The Britishers, you know. After that, very soon they began this inhuman treatment of racial discrimination. So he remembers everything. The white-skinned peoples. Who are the white-skinned peoples?
European.
The Britishers, okay, of South Africa patch up the differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned peoples of their own land, okay. Now after this Anglo-Boer War, and when even Nelson Mandela, he was not born, white-skinned people, they made a system of domination. You know the meaning of domination? You know the meaning of domination? Racial domination. When you suppress somebody, okay? When you have power over another person. Okay? Write down the meaning, racial discrimination. When people of one race have power over another race. When people of one race have power over another race. ओके जब किसी को दबाया जाता है ना, अपनी पावर का यूज करा जाता है, तो ये वाइट स्किन पीपल्स ने क्या करा, दिए सिस्टम जो रेशियल डोमिनेशन का था अगेंस्ट द डार्क स्किन पीपल. डार्क स्किन समझ गए, ये बैक पीपल ऑफ देयर ओन लैंड. तो इन्होंने ये सिस्टम स्टैब्लिश कर लिया ऑफ रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, दैट इज अपार्थाइड. गॉट इट बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The
Yes,
structure
ma'am.
they created formed the basis of underline of one of the harshest, most inhumane societies the world has ever known. Now these black people, they were deprived of their fundamental rights. Okay. And what was the result when these white people, they dominated the black people? The result was that one of the world's most, okay, brutal and inhuman society was born. समझ में आया? एक ऐसी सोसाइटी का जन्म हुआ जिसमें ब्रूटलिटी थी, क्रूएल्टी थी, है ना, इनह्यूमन ट्रीटमेंट करा जाता था लोगों के साथ, अमानवीय व्यवहार. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When he was there on the inauguration ceremony of the first black president, so he remembers everything, beta, and he remembers that before he was born and the Anglo-Boer War, it took place, and before he was born, this system of apartheid, it was already established by the white-skinned peoples, means by the Britishers. They started the system of racial discrimination, means to suppress the black people. They deprived them of the fundamental right, and the structure of the society that they formed, it was one of the most brutal and inhuman societies, okay, that were given birth by the white people. The society was created by the white people, in which discrimination was done with the black people, as well as inhuman treatment was done to them. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in the last decade of the 20th century, see, it all began in the first decade of the 20th century, and then he says, now in the last decade of the 20th century, and my own 8th decade as a man. 8th decade means how many years he was at that
80
time?
years.
Ma'am,
80
80
years.
years.
Okay. That system had been overturned forever. कहते हैं कि before I was born this it came into existence. Okay, ये system उन्होंने पहले ही implement कर दिया था, लेकिन मुझे देखते हुए 80 years हो गए, but now after 80 years this system had been overturned, means it had been put an end forever. Okay, which system? System of apartheid. Apartheid means what? Hurry up.
Ma'am, racial
Racial
discrimination.
discrimination.
Racial
Racial
discrimination.
discrimination.
काले में, okay, that it had been now put an end, okay, forever it has been ended and replaced by, okay, instead that system has been made that recognize the rights and freedoms of all peoples regardless of the color of their skin. Okay, now Nelson Mandela, he says, now when I'm already 80 years old, but I have been successful along with other freedom fighters, other people of South Africa, okay, countless people, you know, countless other people, numerous people who had dedicated their life, who had sacrificed their life for the freedom of South Africa. So with their efforts, I have been able to change the entire system of apartheid, okay, that treats humans as inhuman. Now everybody would be given rights and freedom to all people, whether they are of any color. Okay, any color, you got it, whether they are of black color, white color, colored people, whether they belong to any gender, whether they belong to any age, whether they belong to any caste, equal rights would be given to each and every human being of South. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. People whose sufferings and courage can never be counted or repaid. See, he was absolutely right. Okay. He says the equality, okay, of the country, the day of independence in South Africa, it had come. How? Through the unimaginable sacrifices, means sacrifices that you cannot imagine, okay? Thousands of people had made those sacrifices, countless people. Got it or not? Okay, countless men and women, you know, they fought for the independence, they fought for the fundamental rights of black people all their lives, you know, and after so many efforts, they have seen this day, and the sufferings and courage, you know, it cannot be repaid, it cannot be counted. जो बलिदान उन्होंने दिए हैं, जो करेज उन्होंने दिखाया है, उसको रिपे नहीं कर सकते, उसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And similarly, even we are enjoying freedom in India, isn't it? Even we were ruled by whom? We were ruled by Britishers, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Thousands and thousands of people, they had sacrificed their life for the freedom of the country, and that is why today we are enjoying a fundamental rights as well as the freedom in our country. Okay? So we should be highly obliged to those people who had sacrificed their life. We should give them a tribute, a respect. Similarly, Nelson Mandela, you know, he's trying to pay tribute. He's trying to show respect to the countless people who had sacrificed their life for this day. This day means that particular day when South Africa, it became free. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. Okay, and then he says that I felt it as I have on so many other days, and many other days also I had this feeling that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. Yes, who had gone before me. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had brought. Now he says, you know, I was simply the sum, you know, whatever sacrifices were made by the African patriots. Hai patriots, who are the patriots? Who are the patriots? One who serves his or her country. Or traitors? Who are the traitors?
Ma'am,
Who are
white
the
people,
traitors? Yes, Rahul.
ma'am,
Who are
Britishers,
the traitors? हाँ बेटा कौन होते हैं?
Britishers,
Britishers. What is the meaning of traitor? So many students are there. Nobody is able to guess.
Ma'am, what? Please repeat the word.
Traitors. Traitors. Who are the traitors? Patriots. One who loves his country. Okay. Traitors.
Who tries to dominate other?
No, who doesn't try to dominate other, who's against his country, okay? Who betrays the country.
Ma'am.
जो देश को धोखा देता है, देशद्रोही, okay? देशद्रोही
Okay.
तो मालूम है ना, देश प्रेमी कौन हो गया? पेट्रोइट हो गया, देशभक्त।
Yes, ma'am.
उसका ऑपोजिट क्या हो गया बेटा? ट्रेटर हो गया,
Desdrohi.
वही हो गया। समझ गए? और मार्टियर्स कौन होते हैं? हु आर द मार्टियर्स? हु आर द मार्टियर्स? Come on, 10th class students, who are the martyrs? Yes,
Ma'am, the
Gift of God.
yes, beta. Yes, Samiksha.
Gift of God.
Harsh, who will answer?
And gift of God.
Beta, I am not able to listen. Actually, let this vehicle move on, you know. See, I'll give you the hint. Okay. People who sacrifice their life for the country. Gift of God. पागल हो बोलते हैं कि martyrs?
Ma'am, the freedom fighters.
Yes. कौन?
Ma'am, the freedom fighters.
The freedom fighters. Still so many soldiers, you know, they are sacrificing their life to save Kashmir and to save our country on the borders. Who are they? Who
Soldiers.
are they? Soldiers, who are they? What name will you give them? What name will you give them? None of the students are able to answer, and this is very, very bad. You know, disgusting. Shaheed. Who sacrifices their life for the country? उनको क्या बोला जाता है?
Ma'am, soldier.
मार्टियर्स होते हैं ना, वो शहीद होते हैं ना। क्लास 10।
शहीद होते हैं, yes, ma'am.
I don't know how you people will clear your bullet. So many hints I am giving you. Okay. Now come to the chapter. Understood? Patriots कौन हो गए?
Who love their
Who
country.
love their country. Okay.
Who love their country.
Traitors. Who
Those who
betray their
betray
country.
their country.
Martyrs.
Who sacrifices his life for
Yeah.
the country.
Who sacrifice their life for their country. Okay. So he says that he is remembering all those African patriots who had gone before me. Gone before me means they died before Nelson Mandela. And those patriots, they had sacrificed their life for this freedom, okay, of South African people. That long and noble line ended and now begin again with me. Now he says long and noble line means all the people, all the patriots he remembers who begin the national movement, and it ended up, why? Because they had already, okay, sacrificed their life. They were no more. And now begin again with me. And now he says again this line, you know, of noble people, of good people. Again it is beginning with me. Earlier it has ended up, वो खत्म हो चुकी थी क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना जीवन पूरा sacrifice कर दिया था. Okay, लेकिन अब मेरे साथ again this noble line of good people, you know, it is beginning. Why? Now we are going to work for the upliftment of the country. We are going to give equal rights to each and every person, irrespective of color, caste, creed, race, whatever it is. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. Now he says that he was very much pained, you know, and he was very much sad, and he wishes if he could thank all those people who had sacrificed their life for the freedom of South Africa. But unfortunately, They did not live to see the result of their struggle, of their courage, okay, of the movement that they begin, right? So he was very much pained. He was very much sad that he couldn't thank all those people who had sacrificed their life for the freedom of the country, and they are no more to enjoy this freedom, to see this freedom that the country had gained. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
हाँ पूछिए. Who's asking? Samiksha, what happened?
ma'am, can you please re-explain this line? I felt that day as I have on so many other days.
I felt that day as I have on so many, means other days also I had the same feeling that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before. Okay, that I had been the result of all those, okay, courage and brave movements, okay, that was started by the African patriots. Who were the patriots? The people who love their country and sacrifice their life for the country. Okay, तो मैं तो सिर्फ उनका एक sum हूँ. Okay, I'm the result of the struggle, of the courage that they have shown for the country. समझ में आया? And they had already gone before me, beta. He says, now they are not more to enjoy the freedom of the country. Okay, I'm just only the person who's giving the last touch to the freedom movement that they begin. समझ में आया? फाइनल टच देने वाला हूं मैं. सारी
Yes, ma'am.
sacrifices, सारी स्ट्रगल तो किसने करी थी? उन लोगों ने जो अब नहीं है. मीन्स they have already passed away. They are dead. They have sacrificed their lives for the country. समझ में आया समीक्षा? तो मैं तो उनका सिर्फ सम अप हूं मैं. Got it? मैं सिर्फ उनके एफर्ट्स को फाइनल टच दे रहा हूं मैं. Got it? Lot of efforts and struggle were done by them. They were the beginning. And whatever was done by them, finally I am giving the struggle the final touch. Already the movement were begun by them. They fought for the country. They struggled a lot for the country. Or finally when it was about to become free, okay, when the country was about to gain independence, those people, they passed away. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And,
Thank you, ma'am.
and this is only the result, okay, of the efforts, of the struggles that were begun by the freedom fighters who were no more. And he is very much pained ki if I could have given thanks to them. He was very, very much pained, and he wants to give thanks to all those people who had sacrificed their lives and their hard work, their courage, their efforts, their struggle for the country. Okay, they are not able to see it with their own eyes. They are not able to enjoy it. आ गया आप समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Bye, beta. Now it's time, I think so. Okay, goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
bye. God bless you. Take care.